Announcing the arrival of the Right Honorable Dato Patinggi Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari Bintun Dato Abang Haji Openg, Chief Minister of Sarawak. The Right Honorable Dato Patinggi Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari Bintun Dato Abang Haji Openg, Chief Minister of Sarawak.
The Honorable Dato Haji Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah, Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, and Minister of Youth and Sports, Sarawak.
Honorable Dato Snowden Lawan, Assistant Minister of Youth and Sports, Sarawak, cum Organizing Chairman.
Mrs. Majid Jungman, President of the World Masters Athletics, WMA.
Mr. Viwad Vikranta Noros, President of the Asia Masters Athletics, AMA.
Yang Berbahagia Dato Sri Dr. V. Pulainthiran, Patron of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, MMAA.
Mr. S. Siva Pragasam, President of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, MMAA.
Dr. Ong Kong Swee, CEO of the Sarawak Sports Corporation.
Distinguished guests,
Athletes,
technical officials,
international delegates,
members of the media,
ladies and gentlemen,
welcome to the 21st Asia Masters Athletics Championships, Kuching 2019.
on behalf of the organizing committee, it is our great honor to have the Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak to grace this evening's opening ceremony with his presence.
Let us all rise to receive the march past of all the contingents.
Technical Sports Volunteers by the Sarawak Sports Corporation. Brunei. China.
Chinese Taipei.
Hong Kong,
Indonesia.
India,
Iran.
Japan,
Kazakhstan.
Korea,
Maldives.
Mauritius.
Mongolia.
Nepal.
Philippines.
Sri Lanka.
Singapore.
Thailand.
Uzbekistan.
Australia.
The United States of America.
United Kingdom.
Saudi Arabia.
Algeria.
Fiji.
Germany.
Turkey,
Pakistan,
Malaysia, Asia Masters Athletics Championship flag. Vision of AMAC Masters Athletics in streets and to foster international friendship, understanding, and cooperation through Masters Athletics. let us all remain standing for the national anthem, Negaraku, and the state anthem, Ibu Pertiwiku.
berusaha berbakti untuk Sarawak cintai. Untuk Sarawak dalam Malaysia, amanah perintahkan Tuhan Maha Esa. Berdaulat Sarawak bertumbuh, jelas perjuangan rakyat, percaya berdaulat.
May we invite Ustaz Said Abdul Aziz bin Wan Yusof from Jabatan Agama Islam Sarawak for the Doa recital.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma ya Allah, Tuhan yang Maha Esa yang selayaknya menerima segala puji-pujian. Pada hari yang berbahagia ini kami melafazkan syukur kehadrat-Mu ya Allah, kerana atas limpah kurnia dan keizinan-Mu, maka majlis ini dapat dilaksanakan dengan baik dan jayanya. Pada kesempatan ini kami menadah tangan memohon kehadrat-Mu ya Allah, agar merahmati majlis perasmian 21st Asia Masters Athletics Championships 2019 yang akan disempurnakan oleh Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Patinggi Dr. Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari bin Tun Datuk Abang Haji Openg, Ketua Menteri Sarawak. Allahumma ya Allah, ya Rahman wa ya Rahim, jadikanlah acara yang diadakan ini berjalan dengan baik, lancar dan sempurna, serta tercapai segala hasrat penganjurannya. Melalui majlis rasmi pembukaan yang diadakan ini, tingkatkanlah semangat kesukanan yang tinggi di dalam diri kami ya Allah. Eratkanlah hubungan persahabatan dan perpaduan, muafakat dan kerjasama yang jitu, kemesraan dan kasih sayang antara sesama kami. Kurniakanlah kepada semua para atlet kami serta semua yang hadir kesihatan, keselamatan dan keafiatan yang berkekalan sepanjang acara ini dan seterusnya dalam kehidupan kami seharian yang mendatang. Allahumma ya akramal akramin, kami dengan segala rendah diri memohon agar Engkau mengurniakan kepada kami dengan taufik dan hidayah-Mu, sentiasa di bawah pimpinan dan petunjuk-Mu. Mudah-mudahan segala usaha dan amal yang kami lakukan akan mendapat sepenuh kejayaan dalam keredaan dan restu-Mu di sepanjang zaman. Allahumma bika nasta'in wa alaika natawakkal wa anta rabbul arshil azim. Irhamna ya Rabbana fa innaka anta arhamur rahimin. Wa sallallahu wa sallama ala khairi khalqihi sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Thank you, Ustaz.
Ladies and gentlemen, the welcoming dance by Majlis Seni Sarawak.
The welcoming speech by the Honorable Dato Haji Abdul Karim Rahman Hamza, Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, and Minister of Youth and Sports, Sarawak.
Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak, Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Petinggi Dr. Abang Johari Tun Abang Haji Openg, Honorable Datuk Senawdan Lawan, the Assistant Minister of Youth and Sport, Sarawak, Puan Nancy Haji Jolhi, the Acting Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Youth and Sports, Sarawak, Madam Majid Jungman, the President of World Masters Athletic, I hope I pronounced it correctly, Mr. Wiwat Wigrantanoros, the President of Asia Masters Athletic, Mr. S. Siva Pragasam, the President of Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, and who was also the General Secretary of Asia Masters Athletic, Dr. Ong Kong Swee, the CEO of Sarawak Sports Corporation, Council members of World Masters Athletic, Asia Masters Athletic, as well as Malaysia Masters Athletic, technical officials from abroad as well as from Malaysia, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, and also not forgetting the participants from the various countries. Firstly, on behalf of the organizing committee, we would like to welcome the Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak, and we would also like to thank him for taking his time to be with us for the official launching of the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship 2019, or AMAC. We would like also to welcome the 2,500 participants from 29 different countries who are taking part in this year's championship, which is being held in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. We wish to thank all of the participants for coming to our beautiful Kuching city and to participate in this year's AMAC, which had attracted entries from over Asia region and even those from regions that are outside of Asia. The overwhelming response towards this year's championship has shown us this sporting event can provide a good avenue for masters athletes from different countries and backgrounds to come together in order to have so-called friendly competition with one another. As such, we take our hats off to those people from the World Masters Athletics, the Asia Masters Athletics, as well as from the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association for supporting the state of Sarawak in organizing these wonderful sporting events this time round. The cooperation that you have given to us is much appreciated, and we are truly honored to play host to all of you here in this stadium. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is our hope for the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship to serve as a good avenue to foster the good sportsmanship spirit among those who will be competing in this year's event. The State Government of Sarawak, through the Ministry of Youth and Sport, has always been supportive in organizing of sporting events simply because it promotes noble values among the people as well as to promote healthy lifestyle. As such, Sarawak is no stranger in the organizing of numerous international sporting events because our state government has invested a lot of fund in the construction of international standard sports facilities and stadium. This goes without saying that our state government of Sarawak has given the emphasis on the development of local sports and games so that more people are keen to take up sports as part of their healthy lifestyle. Therefore, we would like to thank our Right Honorable Chief Minister, who has given his fullest support towards sports development and promotion that will bring favorable outcomes to the local people as well as attracting many athletes from abroad, especially during international events such as this year's Asia Masters Athletic Championship. Distinguished guests, before concluding, I would like to call on the participants to enjoy their stay in Kuching because there are many interesting places of interest which you can visit during your leisure time here. Sarawak is the largest state in Malaysia, and as such, there are many unique tourism attractions found in Kuching and also in other divisions such as Sibu, Miri, Muka, Bintulu, and many others. Presently, we are also having our Visit Sarawak campaign, which is basically to promote our tourism attraction to others, since all of you are also coming here. So why not make a point to visit some of the world's tourism sites that we have here in Sarawak. In and around Kuching, actually, we have got 7 national parks as well as nature parks. Last but not least, please allow me to once again thank Right Honorable Chief Minister for joining us in this official opening of the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate the organizing committee for the wonderful job in hosting the championship, which will become a good avenue to encourage more Masters athletes to come back in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you, the Honorable Dato'.
Speech by Mr. S. Siva Pragasam, President of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, MMAA.
The Right Honorable Dato' Patinggi Dr. Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Johari bin Tun Dato' Abang Haji Openg, Chief Minister of Sarawak, Honorable Dato' Haji Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah, Minister of Tourism, Arts, Culture, Youth and Sport Sarawak, the Honorable Dato' Surodan Lawan, Assistant Minister of Youth and Sports Sarawak, come Organizing Chairman 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship, Mrs. Margit Jungman, President World Masters Athletics, Mr. Vivat Vikrantanoros, President Asia Masters Athletics, yang berbahagia Dato' Sri Dr. V. Pulendran, Patron Malaysian Masters Athletics, distinguished guests, all participants, team officials, team leaders, and sports fans. Selamat datang ke Kuching, Sarawak. Welcome to Kuching City. On behalf of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, I take great pleasure to welcome all distinguished guests, team officials, participants, and sports fans to the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship hosted by the city of Kuching. This is the third time Malaysia playing host to AMA Championship, first being in 1990, second in 2010, both in Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia, and the third in 2019 in Kuching city. We are very glad to note that a record number of 29 countries participating in this championship. This is the first time AMA Championship has attracted that many countries. We are also happy to note that 10 countries outside Asia region taking part in this championship. This is a good platform to strengthen the friendship and goodwill among the Asian countries and countries outside Asia. All master athletes should take the role of ambassadors of masters athletics. Master athletes should promote and display the good values of sports. Let us all show the fine sportsmanship and be good role model to the younger generations. Malaysian Masters Athletic Association wish to thank the Ministry of Youth and Sports Malaysia, State Government of Sarawak for putting in a lot of effort and finance to make this championship a memorable one for all participants. I, on behalf of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, would like to express our sincere thanks and appreciation to the Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak for taking much valuable time to be here with us today and to declare open this 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship. Thank you to all our distinguished guests for their support and cooperation to the local organizing committee. We, Malaysian Masters Athletic Association and the local organizing committee, would like to wish all the participating contingent a good and meaningful competition and enjoy your stay in this beautiful city of Kuching. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Siva.
Speech by Mr. Viwat Vigrantatnoros, President of the Asia Masters Athletics.
Chief Minister of Sarawak, Minister of Youth and Sport, the Organizing Committee 21st AMAC Championship in Kuching, President of World Master Athletics, Master Athletic Official, Honor Guest. I have the honor and must be sure to welcome all of you to the opening ceremony of the 21st Asia Master Athletic Championship 2019, Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia today. Asia Master Athletic Championship is a sport event of Asia region and is more important than other sport competition because it is not only for sport excellence, but it is the activity of social innovation in promoting a quality of life and equality of the master. On behalf of our AMA member, I thank you, the organizing committee of the 21st Asia Master Athletic Championship, Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia, and Malaysian people in organizing this game, carrying on the ideology of Asia Master Athletics. I hope the success of the game will be useful to Master Athletics as whole. I wish this game to go on smoothly, let on athletics pair with sport spirit, and in the game of harmony, fairness, and honor to all. Thank you again and welcome all of you to opening ceremony of the 21st Asia Master Athletic Championship 2019 now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Viwat.
the officiating speech by the Right Honorable Dato Patinggi Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari Bintun Dato Abang Haji Openg, the Chief Minister of Sarawak.
The Honorable Dato Haji Abdul Karim Hamzah, Minister for Tourism, Arts, Culture Sarawak, and also the Minister of Sports and Youth. The Honorable Dato Snowden Lawan, Assistant Minister of Youth and Sports Sarawak, Madam Magid Lukman, President of the World Masters Athletic, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizing committee for inviting me and to give me the honor to officiate the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship in Kuching this afternoon. I would like also to welcome all the members of the organizing committee as well as the participants to Kuching, Sarawak. Selamat datang, and I hope you have an enjoyable stay in Sarawak. Ladies and gentlemen, I was informed that there are many former Olympians, Asian, Commonwealth and SEA Games athletes participating in this championship. A championship like this paves a good platform for all the athletes, especially the masters athletes, to come together, to interact, and to strengthen the solidarity among themselves. This championship is recognized as the biggest athletic competition conducted in terms of participants, events, prizes, and the sheer magnitude of meeting the needs and expectation of the participants. I would therefore like to thank the technical officials, volunteers, administrators, local business and community personnel involved at the various levels of the competition and the events that are part thereof, and they will do their best to make the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship 2019 a success, and hopefully provide all with the opportunity to have a memorable and successful competition. I would also like to express our gratitude and appreciation to the President of the World Masters Athletics, Madam Margaret Jungman, the President of the Asia Masters Athletics, Mr. Wiwat Bigantonoros, and all the council members for being with us today and for having given us the opportunity to host these great championships. I would also like to thank Malaysian Masters Athletic Association for assisting us to bring this championship to Kuching, Sarawak, and for organizing this championship together with the government of Sarawak. To all the competitors, I wish you all the best. Run well, jump well, and throw well with great sportsmanship that can be showcased good example to the younger generation. With this, I officially declare open the 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championship 2019. Thank you very much.
Thank you, the Right Honorable. With that, we begin the championship flag raising and flame lighting ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in the history of Asia Masters Athletics Championships, a torch run has been introduced by the 21st AMAG LOC and the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association. This special torch run was officially launched on 24th November 2019 in Singapore, the country that organized the first Asian Veterans Athletic Championships in 1981. The torch run was continued in Kuching, and now 9 Malaysian ex-internationals who are participating in the 21st AMAG will carry the torch into the stadium. First ex-international, Shamri Muhammad Ali, 57 years old, represented Malaysia in the 110 meters hurdles and 400 meters hurdles in 1997 Jakarta SEA Games. The torch will be received by Yao Doli Yao Lokong, 65 years old, represented Malaysia in javelin in 1985 Bangkok SEA Games. The third ex-international, Liana Liu Zi Kiok, 48 years old, represented Malaysia in the heptathlon in 1993 Singapore SEA Games. Romy Anna Rejon, 45 years old, represented the country in triple jump in 1995 Chiang Mai SEA Games and in the 1997 Jakarta SEA Games. Aliuddin Jumaat, 64 years old, represented Malaysia in the pole vault in the 1987 Asian Track and Field Championships and in the 1983 Singapore, 85 Bangkok SEA Games. Siddiq bin Saha, 52 years old, represented Malaysia in the 1990 Beijing Asian Games and have won 2 silver and 2 bronze medals in triple jump in 1989, 91, 93, and 97 SEA Games. Hu Yunhua, 60 years old, represented the country in 1979 Jakarta SEA Games, 1981 Manila SEA Games, and have won 2 gold medals in the high jump. Ramjit Nairulal, 57 years old, represented Malaysia in his favorite event, high jump, in 1982 Asian Games in New Delhi, 1984 Track and Field Championships in Qatar, won a bronze medal in 1987 Track and Field Championships in Singapore, and won 2 gold and 2 bronze medals in SEA Games from 1983 to 89. He held the SEA Games record of 2.13 meters in high jump from 1983 to 1989. The final torchbearer is Dato Sri Dr. V. Pulendran, 61 years old, the patron of Malaysian Masters Athletic Association and the honorary president of Asia Masters Athletics. Represented the country in many international athletic championships. Malaysian champion in the long distance events of 5,000 meters, 10,000 meters, and 3,000 meters steeplechase.
Ladies and gentlemen, overtaking by Mr. Wong Ji Kui.
In the name of all competitors, I promise that we shall take part in the 21st Asia Master Athletics Championship Kuching 2019, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport and the honor of our teams.
Thank you, Mr. Wong. Next, we will have the Best March Past Trophy presented by the Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Best March Past Trophy goes to Singapore.
Souvenir presentation by Dato Sri Dr. V. Pelanthiran, patron of the Malaysian Masters Athletic Association, to the Right Honorable Chief Minister of Sarawak.
Announcing the departure of the Right Honorable Dato Patinggi Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Zohari Bintun Dato Abang Haji Openg, Chief Minister of Sarawak.
Thank you for gracing this event with your presence.
Announcing the march out of all contingents.
With this marks the opening of the championships. Thank you everyone and all the very best.
Enjoy your 21st Asia Masters Athletic Championships 2019 right here in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. May the best win.